Hey you guys, my name's Kalima. Welcome back to Rideshare Hub. I am doing my second video for Dylan. I'm really excited. I do drive for Ubereats, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how much money I make. So of course there's a lot of different factors that play into this, but let's go into it. First of all, I want to make sure and share that Ubereats driving is something that I do on the side. I mainly work in entertainment. I'm in Los Angeles to follow my dreams, so it's really nice to have that flexibility and be able to sort of control when I work and the money that I make. Because I have, and I'm a strong believer of little side hustles, I do work with different marketing companies that ask me to promote different products, and they give me incentives for like commission and coupons and that sort of thing. So one of the main ways that I make money and sort of utilizing the fact that I'm getting so many different Ubereats customers and I can talk to so many different people is I give those customers my coupons that give me extra income and commission with that other company that I work for. So if you find yourself, looking for a different side hustle, Ubereats is a great way to sort of talk to different people and push yourself, whether it's your business card or social media, or even if you do have other jobs that you make commission on, and you could literally treat them as your clients and possible clients, and get the word out there about what you're doing, what your company's doing, and then that's just more money for yourself. Another way to obviously make more money on top of the Ubereats amount is tips. Really, I talked about it in my last video. Tips is a 50-50 chance. In LA, a lot of people, I think that they do tip, but I found that in the lower income areas, more people tip than even Beverly Hills. But of course, when I do get tipped in Beverly Hills, people do tip pretty nicely if I do get a tip. But I found that I'm more likely to get tipped in Inglewood and Compton and the lower income, traditionally lower income areas or middle class areas. So it's one of those things that I found, just being extra nice, being really transparent with those customers, they're a lot more likely to tip. When it comes to the pay scale of Ubereats, it's actually kind of different, and every city is different. I'm in Los Angeles, so I think every single delivery has a $4.99 fee that Uber takes on top of the money that you make. So if you make X amount of dollars, it'll say in the app that this is how much you made, even though technically you're not pocketing that amount. So it's definitely smart to go look at the breakdown for each one, because the miles are separate from the distance, which is separate from the fee, which is separate from the tip. So you definitely want to see exactly what's being taken out. And then I always say, definitely keep Ubereats' phone number in your phone so that you can call with any questions. They are 24 hours. Obviously, the order size can make a difference when it comes to tips. Going back to the tips thing, is that if you have a bigger order, people feel like they should tip. It was one point in time that Uber encouraged no tipping or only cash tipping. So a lot of people haven't been updated on the fact that they do allow you to tip through the app, or that they do encourage tipping, and it doesn't have to be cash, so I haven't taken it upon myself to educate them, but I think sometimes I justify it in my mind, and I'm like, maybe they don't know that, Uber is now encouraging people to tip. I think that Ubereats customers sometimes think that the order is really expensive because we're automatically getting tipped, so it's not necessarily the case, but hopefully they tip. I think that some Ubereats customers think that the delivery fee is automatically our tip as well, which isn't the case. So, I mean, if you feel comfortable enough with that customer to communicate that to them, you're welcome to do that. I've never done that before, but sometimes it is just a word of mouth thing, Sometimes they think that since the order is so expensive, it must be because we're getting paid a lot more, but it differs from different cities. Los Angeles, like I said, I do different things to make sure that I'm making more money, hopefully, on those orders and with the customers that I'm getting. But I also make sure to deliver during boost times. I don't deliver on regular rate. I only deliver when it's in high demand and I can get more money from Uber because of the demand hour or the boost hour, so that I'm definitely maximizing my income, hopefully on top of tips, hopefully on top of the commission that I get from promotional coupons that I provide to these customers. So yeah, like it's one of those things where you could communicate and say, hey, I don't know if you know, but we do encourage tipping, or you could just, you know, finesse and just make your little side hustle to hopefully make more money. But thank you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let's try to get this video to 95 likes if we can, you guys. And make sure to comment. Tell me where you're from. You can follow me at KalimaCam TV. And also make sure to use my Uber code. We'll make sure to put it in the description or somewhere on this video, hopefully. And thank you so much for watching Rideshare Hub. Bye.